So this US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 11th of April. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may progress to. So here on the US oil, we've had formed a low here after having a bit of a consolidation sell-off. Formed a bit of a low, a higher low, strong progression here to the upside beyond the 62.54 and 63.05. Brief consolidation, bull flag before seeing a break to the upside. Tested 64.76, brief pullback, strong move here to the upside beyond the 64.76. Had progressed towards our 65.60, another important level in the market. Now from this 65.60, we've had a brief pullback here from this 65.60. We'll see if we do break back above the 65.60 and hold above the 65.60 for progression here. Beyond 65.60, we're looking for price to progress towards our 66.71. The very next major swing here in the market, 66.71, were the highs of 2018 so far. After seeing this recovery in oil, has been an important high. So we'll see if we can retest these old highs and potentially break. If we do break, if we do see sufficient volatility, because we've had quite a bit of volatility over the past couple of days. If we do see a break of 66.71, if we do continue in the same vein, we're looking for price progress towards the 68.19, the very next major level, and a successful break from there, we're looking for price progress towards our 69.51 here on the US oil. If however we do hold resistance at 65.60, we're then looking for prices progress towards our 64.76, see if we do find a bit of a bullish bounce there for find support. If however we are unable to find support at the 64.76 from a breakdown from 65.60, we're then looking for price progress down towards our 63.76, which I would expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside on the US oil. In around that 63.76, we've also got the added confidence of the 400 and 200 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of potentially find support of the 63.76. And if there is quite a bit of volatility, which I am skeptical of, we could see 63.05 come into focus. With that said, I think that pretty much wraps up the hourly charts. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how prices are progressing here on the US oil. We head over to the daily chart on the US oil, and as you can see here, we've got our lows here, a higher low and another higher low again, which is very supportive of bullish prices going forward. So we've had our highs, we've had a higher low, we've had a low, higher low, and a higher low again. So, and we have seen this very strong progression here to the upside. We've seen this strong progression here to the upside. So we'll see our prices react towards our most recent swing highs in around 66.71, where we can see a break and see if prices do pull back, form another higher low for continued progression here to the upside. With that said, that wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.